What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here when the price was slightly above $850, and I told you that we had a very good bounce from this range of support, and it is a confluence in between the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.5 when I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of, let me show it to you more thoroughly, from its swing low to this swing high, and right here we have completed 5-wave structure, and that's why I thought that this range might be a very good range where we might have a trend reversal or at least a bounce. And it happened. And for now we are hovering exactly at the same range. And I have to say that this range is a very good support range because it also has a confluence with this level of support, and it is the previous range of support and resistance. And I have to say that if this level holds, we might see next massive leg to the upside, because for now we have a lot of fundamental news that might drive the price of this company higher. So I will show you this news in just several minutes, but for now let's start with the negative news related not only to Tesla, but for all of the EV makers. And let me show you this. Tesla has some very bad news for EV buyers. And I have to say that it is a quite controversial title, because right here the subtitle is Elon Musk's company, like the rest of the auto industry, is facing soaring raw material prices and worsening supply chain disruption. So it is not directly related to Tesla, it is related to basically all of the companies, and not only automotive companies and not only internal combustion engine producers, but for all of the companies around the world. And let me quote you this. Russia's invasion of Ukraine has caused crude oil prices to spike. That surge in turn has boosted the cost of raw materials, creating a headache for many industries, including automotive. Since Russia invaded Ukraine on February 24th, oil prices have jumped more than 30%, touching $139 a barrel at one point this week. As for other raw materials, aluminum and nickel prices have surged on speculation that a war and Western sanctions could cut off Russian export. Russia is responsible for 6% of global aluminum supply and 7% of mined nickel, Reuters reports. So, a war and sanctions could wreak havoc on global supplies of the metals. I have to say that definitely it is not the good news for Tesla, and it is not the good news for any other manufacturers in the world because of the increasing prices and supply chain issues. But all in all, I have to say that Tesla is in a much better position than other companies. And let me show you this article. It was published just 20 hours ago and it's titled Tesla Stock News: 6 Biggest Headlines That Tesla Investors Need to Know This Week. And I have to say that it is quite interesting summary of the recent headlines. That's why let me quote you this article. Tesla order rate is surging in the US as gas prices drive consumers toward electric cars. Definitely it is a very expectable action, because a lot of people want to save their money with the lower maintenance prices of electric vehicles. Next one, Xpeng launches new EV in Europe. It's low-price competition for Tesla Model 3. While Tesla sales decrease in China, the local automaker is stepping up. Xpeng announced this week that it's launching its P5 sedan in Europe, starting in 4 countries. Priced at $25,000, it could be an appealing option for cost-conscious drivers. And I have to say that it is not the bad news related to Tesla. The more competitors we have in the markets, the better position the customers have. Next one, Tesla's steer-by-phone vision swatted down by US regulator. And let me quote you this. Tesla's battles with regulators continue, and its latest fight is over controlling vehicle with smartphones and tablets. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration recently eliminated the requirement that automated vehicles be equipped with full driving controls. That doesn't mean, though, that it's ready to embrace remotely controlled vehicles. The NHTSA recently stated that its new definition for manually operating driving controls does not apply to future controls that have not yet been deployed. So I have to say that this news is only partially important for Tesla, and I want to show you this part. NHTSA halts requirement of human controls in fully autonomous vehicles, and I will put the link on this article as well in the description below. You can read it by yourself, and I have to say that it is a very good step towards the fully autonomous vehicles. And I have to say that the leader on this industry is Tesla, and definitely, according to this article on Motley Fool, you can read that Elon Musk sees Tesla as an AI and robotics company and believes its full self-driving software will eventually be the main profitability source. And definitely this step towards the fully autonomous vehicles is very important for Tesla. And let's continue with this news. As gas prices soar, White House doubles down on Green New Deal. Definitely it is a very good for Tesla, because a lot of people want to switch from ICE vehicles to electric vehicles. Next one, Tesla insists autopilot and full self-driving are safe, but US senators aren't buying it. And definitely I don't think that two senators might have any meaningful impact on Tesla sales, but all in all we have to have more people who want to see the fully autonomous vehicles on the roads, and this might be also important. And the last but not the least, Tesla confirms GIGA Berlin Model Y deliveries will start March 22nd. And it says, earlier this week Tesla stock briefly rallied in response to some good news. It received the green light to start manufacturing at its Berlin Gigafactory. This week also brought the confirmation that deliveries from the facility will begin later this month, helping Tesla continue securing its share of Europe's booming EV market. According to invitations that Tesla has sent out, deliveries will kick off on March 22nd. And this is a very good milestone. When they start this production, definitely it will increase the price of Tesla. On top of that, let me show you that Tesla Gigafactory Berlin is heavily hiring new employees. And right here on their official website, you can see dozens or hundreds of new positions that should be closed within next several weeks, I guess, in order to fulfill the demand of GIGA Berlin in employees. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we don't have much changes on the price action, because for now we are again at the range of support, and as long as this pivot holds, our medium-term targets are the same. Let me show it to you. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, and here is the lowest point so far, we have the most probable range where we might land next leg of the price action is 1.618 extension level, and it is the price point of $1,113. And this is our medium-term target as long as this pivot holds. And our major targets are following. If I switch to daily time frame, and let me show you this price action. If I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement right here, we have following targets. And first target is 0.786 Fibonacci extension level. It is the price point of $1,228, and it is the confluence with our previous all-time high, and definitely this might be our first major target. Next one is 1-to-1 extension at $1,374, and next one 1.618 extension level at $1,796. So it is the confluence with the round number of $1,800, and definitely if it is the case, and if it is the first wave on a slightly bigger scale, we have to land the top of our third wave, and the most probable range is right here at $1,800. So we have to be prepared for this price action, and don't get me wrong guys, so we might see a lot of fluctuations in price at our current levels, because we have a lot of headwinds for the markets in general, and that's why we have to be cautious. But in the long term this asset is really impressive and it has a huge upside potential. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!